Hack the site Basic 2. Welcome to the Basic mission number 2. For this mission, we have a clue text. The clue text goes like this. Network Security Sam set up a password protection script. He made it load the real password from an unencrypted text file and compare it to the password the user enters. However, he neglected to upload the password file. So, what does it mean? The clue says that Sam has forgot to upload the password file. What this means is that there is no password file at the server end to compare to. What we need to do is to just press Submit. Congratulations! You have passed the Basic Level 2.